Yuppie Monday. Well, this won't come out Monday, but this is when I'm videoing it, and you know what I'm doing? I went through all my stuff, aka Gooch, and I have so much stuff, so much makeup stuff that I'm stressed. Okay, what I want to do is I pulled out all of my high-end that I have right now, which is Anastasia, Forever by Dior, and then I have this MAC. I'll read them as I go. What I want to do is compare them to this L'Oreal True Match. This has always been, from the very beginning, one of the nicest, flowiest, beautifulest foundation for mature skin. Probably for any skin. But I want to see if these high-ends that I purchased without buying any more high-ends are going to match this in wear and everything. So what I'm going to start with is True Match on the right, okay? And then I'm going to do my Anastasia. I've already put on the rest of my makeup. Just a nice casual orange day. All right, I hope you guys are great. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and now we're on the track to Christmas. I'll be doing a Christmas video. It's just something we have to do. But I tell you, I'm going to be doing a lot of get ready with me with the products I have. I'm going to mix match them all. I really want to try this to see if this is my go-to for the majority of my foundation. Now, I do love Maybelline. I love Revlon. We're just going to try it all, okay? But first, we're going to do this. Yeah, I'm a rambling gal as usual, so I'm going to shake this up. This is a brand new bottle, and I wrote on the bottom when I got it, because they only last for so long. And I don't know, I hate to throw anything out if it still looks good. I'm going to use a different brush for each item. So for this one, for each item, for each foundation, I'm going to take this one. This is Bali, okay? And it's comparable to the foundation brush with BK Beauty. I'll list all that. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And this color is N4 Light Medium. Okay, here we go. I'm going to beat it in. I put the primer I used today is the one I already have by CoverGirl with a little bit of green, because I'm still pretty red, and I think it's from a new product that I'm trying for my nighttime skincare. I will fill you in on that. All right, here we go. Ooh. Oh, it's so light. So light. These you can use more of. Why I say this? Because it's very liquidy. If you've never used L'Oreal True Match, oh, ladies, you need to. Maybe after this you will. Price point, this is how much it costs. Okay, I already did my under eyes. When I went through and cleaned everything out, I found my Neutrogena, which I've always loved, their concealer, and this is their color corrector, so I used that this morning. And my eyes are my Alter Ego's Daylight Palette. I went through and I thought, why am I not using these? These are freaking amazing, and their brushes. Okay, keep me from going too far over. I get to talking and I forget what I'm doing. I think it's a lovely, lovely color match. All right. What do we have here? You know, my skin is, finally, it's been a long, long time, but it's starting to get a little dry, and like, I need to really do a good exfoliation. I think it's all the new Medicube I'm using, and skin goes through a phase where it just needs to slough like a fool. I don't know, that's just my opinion. That's what happens with me. So I'm a little bit drying. So what I like to do now, it is this time of year, D'Alba's. I still love their amazing hydrating spray. Now let's get the right way. Okay. Don't get in my coffee. Okay, that really helps. And I do have a sponge I'm going to use. Now, I like the tints, so L'Oreal True Match and nothing. Now, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beaverhausen. And this is in the color 3 in. I think it's a neutral, and I think it's just like the light medium. All right, and I'm going to put that in the palm. Ooh, that's a little thicker and a little different color. Okay. And I'm going to take another brush, and I'm going to take the BK Beauties that's comparable to the Blee, so that I don't mix and match the foundations. Ooh, okay. This costs this much. That's a little more coverage. Yeah, drying out. That's okay. I will just lay off of what I know to be what's causing my skin to go through its phase. Just take it down a notch. But you do want that. You want your skin to shed its outer skin like a chameleon. No, it's not a chameleon, snake, I don't know. All those creatures shed their skin. Okay. So what I decided I want to do, I'm going to take Essence Blush, powder blush. These are just silky powder blush. I just love them. Shimmery Rose. Okay. And I'm going to take a Shimmer Dew. I'm going to take this one by Bic. And I'm going to dabby doobie deeby dee. And I know this is very subtle. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is on those apples, ladies. Up high on the apples. Oh, look pretty. So that went on the Anastasia side. Now this is going on. Very subtle. Subtle knife. I cracked myself up. You know this. Oh, ladies. I'm not really thrilled with my mascara today. It like clumped up something awful. This is the Thrives mascara. Now I've had this mascara, this one, for a while. I haven't used a new tube. It's so frustrating. Okay, this is day 1 of the high-end versus L'Oreal's True Match. Okay, Anastasia. L'Oreal. I will be back later tonight to show you how this wore, and I'm hoping that my skin will moisten up. It's not severely dry. I just see it. So I will keep my D'Alba handy because it is so dry here. I mean, we have no moisture in this air. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll see you later tonight. Go out and have fun and enjoy your day. Do something lovely for yourself. If you're going to work, just smile no matter what your boss says. Love you. Hello, beautiful ladies of my heart. Here we are. It's 6:05 p.m. This is Anastasia. This is L'Oreal. All right? They both held up beautiful, and I put them through the ringer. I went bra shopping, yes. It is the hardest shopping for a woman my age than ever before. We went to Kohl's Cyber Monday. There was 100,000 bras. I took my husband. I said, okay, if you want this to be quick, here's what I'm looking for. Go find it. I need an underwire for the first time ever. I hate underwires. But he found one, and it's comfortable, and the twins are happy. Life is good. But anyway, tomorrow is day 2 of the Dior is going to be, and then our L'Oreal on this side. All right, ladies, have a blessed evening. See you tomorrow.